Morning students, I am Santosh sir. Today again I am going to revise a new topic, tissue. Do you know what is a tissue? Tissue, tissue means it is a group of cells. It is a group of cells. You know, I have already discussed tissue. Tissue is a group of cells. If we classified the tissue in the animals, we found there are four types of the tissues. First is epithelial tissue, second is connective tissue, third is muscles tissue, and fourth is nervous tissue. So first of all, I want to describe about epithelial tissue. You can see here epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue line body surface and cavities as well as form glands form glands. Epithelial tissues line body surfaces and cavities as well as form glands. So the cells of the tissues are closely connected to each other via cellular junction. As we know that cells are connected to together through the cellular junctions. So the cells of the tissues are closely packed to each other. As we know that cells are connected with the cellular junctions because epithelium is found on the edges of the organ. It has two distinct surfaces. The apical surface is exposed. You can see here the apical surface is exposed. The apical surface is exposed to body cavity or exterior, while the basal surface is adjacent to underlying surfaces. Epithelial contain no blood vessels. Keep in mind, if anyone asking, does epithelia contains blood? Then you have to say epithelia contain no blood vessels. They are non-vascular. Keep in mind, they are non-vascular. They are non-vascular. So keep in mind. So epithelium tissue is found outside and inside also. So epithelia contains no blood vessels. No blood vessels means there is no vascular. Are dependent upon the underlying connecting tissue for nutrients. You can see figure here. Just see everyone. This is the basal surface. And this is the apical surface. It is found both sides. Apical surface also and basal surface also. See, epithelial cells can be one of three shapes. Means it is found in the three shapes. First is squamous, second is cuboidal, that is another name of the cuboidal is columnar. If the epithelium consists of one layer, it is called simple epithelium. If the epithelium consists one layer, if epithelium consists one layer, it is called simple epithelium. Squamous means, you can understand squamous means, if anyone asking what is the squamous epithelium tissues, then easily in your mind it will come, it is flattened tissue. So stratified epithelium has more than one layer. A simple epithelium consists only one layer, while stratified epithelium consists more than one layer. The combination of the cell's shape and the number of the cell layer is used to classify the epithelium tissue. Cell shape in stratified epithelium can vary, but the shape of the cells at the apical surface determine the name. You can see simple columnar epithelium would consist of one single layer of the column shaped cell. What is the function? Now we can see, and anyone can ask, what is the function of the epithelium tissue? The function of the epithelium tissues varies depending on its location. So its function vary depending on its location, where it is found. So its function is different at the different places. You can see here. Now you can see is simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium, it is found in the blood vessels. It is found in the blood vessels. Simple squamous epithelium comprises the inner lining of the blood vessels, where it provides a smooth surface. So the function of the simple squamous epithelium is to provide a smooth surface that reduce friction as blood travel through the vessels. Means it provides a smooth surface from where blood can travel very smoothly, means without any friction. So the blood vessels slides show a cross section of an artery or a vein. The vein lining of the vessels lumen is a simple squamous epithelium. This is the interior figure. You can see this is the interior figure. The vessel lumen, that is interior portion. So it is found in the blood vessels, that is artery, vein and nerve slides. And what is it provides a smooth surface that reduce the friction, means to travel the blood through the vessels. Lung slide. The wall of the lung air sacs. So it is found in the alveoli are also composed of the squamous epithelium. Air sacs are the location of the gas exchanges between the air and blood. You know what is the function of the alveoli? Alveoli is found in the lungs, and alveoli is a place where exchanges of the gases takes place in the blood. You can see simple squamous epithelium, alveolus. You can see simple cuboidal epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium, it is found in the kidney, and the tubes of the kidney are composed of a single layer of the cuboidal cells. The tubes of the kidney are composed of the single layer of the cuboidal cells. The kidney slides shows the cross section of the many tubes, all of which are lined with the simple cuboidal epitheliums. These cells are active in the absorption and secretion. So main function of the simple cuboidal epithelium in the kidney to increase the absorption. So these cells are active in absorption and secretion of the various substances from or into the kidney filtrate. So keep in mind, the main function is the absorption and secretion. You can see stratified squamous epithelium. You can see stratified. Stratified means it is found in the esophagus and stomach. Stratified squamous epithelium consists of the multiple layers. Stratified squamous epithelium contains many layers with squamous cells at the apical surface. The primary function of this type of the epithelium is protection. Means the first function of this type of the epithelium to provide protection. Areas subject to abrasion like mouth, esophagus and skin have the stratified epitheliums. Cells at the apical surface can be scraped away, but the layer nature of the epithelium ensures that the underlying tissues are protected. You can see, for instance, by food particles traveling down the esophagus. The main function is to provide the protection. So you can see cells at the apical surface can be scraped away. How? For instance, by food particles traveling, as we have food, then food particles travel down through the esophagus. So the main function of the stratified squamous epithelium in the esophagus and stomach to provide the protection. You can see stratified squamous epithelium. This is connective tissue. Now connecting tissue. What is a connecting tissue? Connecting tissue vary widely in their form and function, but they are all are characterized by the presence of the extracellular matrix. The extracellular matrix is non-living material composed of protein and fibers and ground substance. So we can say here connecting tissue vary widely in their form and functions. So there are very many types of the connecting tissue, and they are all characterized by the presence of the extracellular matrix, and this extracellular matrix is non-living materials, and it is composed of two things: protein fiber and ground substance. Protein fiber and ground substance. The protein fiber are composed of collagen. This protein fiber is composed of collagen, which gives strength. What is the function of the protein fibers? It provides strength. And it is composed of collagen or elastin, which gives flexibility. And the main function of the protein fiber to provide the strength and flexibility. So it is made up of collagen and elastins. The number and types of the fibers differ between and the various types of the connecting tissues. The ground substances fill the spaces between the cells and fiber. So the second function of the ground substances is to fill the spaces between the cells and fiber. The main function of the ground substances is to fill the spaces between the cells and fibers. It contains interstitial fluids, that is tissue fluid. You can see, so it contains tissue fluids and large polysaccharide molecules. The consistency of the ground substance can vary from liquid to gel-like to a solid. You can see hint here, because the connecting tissue consists largely of extracellular matrix. The cells are the present will be scattered among the matrix. That's all.